Welcome back to another segment of This Ain't Your Daddy's Unboxing. I'm Zexon, and today I'll be unboxing a pair of AKG K7XX over-ear open back headphones and sharing my first impressions with you. Without further ado, let's begin. AKG has almost 70 years experience engineering headphones. AKG microphones and headphones have been used by an impressive number of artists around the world. AKG holds over 1,000 patents on various audio engineering designs and were early pioneers of open back headphones. In 1994, AKG became part of Harman International Industries Incorporated. Then in 2016, Harman was bought by Samsung Electronics. Massdrop partnered with AKG to bring the AKG K702 65th Anniversary Edition headphones to their customers. According to Massdrop, the K7XX features the same dynamic driver technology and superior build quality, plus a few updates in the sound and comfort departments. The highs were boosted by an innovative flat wire voice coil, the mids were brought up to better balance the range, and the lows were jacked up by 3 decibels for fully immersive sound imaging. As far as I can tell from my research, these are the only changes made to the design of the AKG K702 65th Anniversary Edition. I stress design here because that's different from where they were made. According to the box, the K7XX were made in China. Some may be bothered by that fact, but many quality goods are produced in China. Apple products are excellent examples. The objective determining factor of quality is not necessarily which country, but in fact which factory products are made. These headphones come with pre-selected dynamic transducers to ensure they are synced up and well balanced. This means that each is tested and paired with another transducer with the closest possible sound signature. The K7XX utilize a flat wire voice coil for a transient response that delivers amazingly accurate and spacious sound. In addition, using a flat wire voice coil can increase the headphone efficiency, thus allowing them to be paired with lower output audio devices. Finally, the K7XX sports VariMotion 2-layered diaphragms. Unlike many headphones which use Mylar in their diaphragms, AKG uses their patented laminated VariMotion tech. VariMotion material has a much lower innate and smoother resonance than Mylar. All this engineering translates to a frequency response of 10 Hz to 39.8 kHz with a sensitivity of 105 decibel volts and a maximum input power of 200 milliwatts. As of the making of this review, the Massdrop AKG K7XX comes packed with a detachable 9.8 foot or 3 meter straight cable with an 1/8 inch or 3.5 millimeter jack. It also includes a 1/4 inch or 6.3 millimeter adapter and is backed by a 2-year warranty serviced by AKG. So here are my first impressions. They are deceptively light despite their size. There's negligible pressure from the headband, so I don't notice them at all. Most of the support comes from the side clamping pressure, which is sufficient enough to keep them solidly in place on my head without feeling like a vice. In part, the credit for this goes to the memory foam velour covered ear pads, which offset the pressure. The other reason for the reduced pressure comes from the fact that these are over-ear as opposed to on-ear headphones, thus distributing pressure over a larger surface area. As I stated earlier, these headphones feature detachable cable and bundled adapter. The headphone end is a mini XLR connector and the other end is an 1/8 inch or 3.5 millimeter mini phone connector. The diameter of the cable is slightly smaller than comparably priced headphones. On the plus side, because the cable is replaceable, you can swap it out for a shorter, higher quality cable or an entirely different connector type. I'd characterize the soundstage as good, but there's no surprise there when you consider their open back design. Panning left-right audio is noticeably more defined as a result. In addition, vocal harmonies and chorus effects were an immediate standout during my initial listening sessions. Finally, because of their open back design, sound isolation is a mixed bag. Indoor listening is very good in a quiet environment. They also do well with brown noise, like the hum of an air conditioner, especially when listening to low to moderate volume. They're not as enjoyable in noisy environments like outdoor city or commuter noise. Though for folks who like to be fully aware of their environment and don't mind outside noise leaking in, these might work for you. Conversely, sound leakage, as in sound leaking out from the headphones to the outside world, I would categorize as fair to good. Some sound leakage is unavoidable with open back headphones, but these seem minimal when listening at moderate volume in a very quiet environment, but to be clear, they're not silent. Now, if you feel like you gotta get you some of these, you can find a link to them down in the description below. Well, that wraps it up for this edition of This Ain't Your Daddy's Unboxing. I really hope you enjoyed the unboxing and my first impressions. If you did, great. Click that like button and feel free to leave a comment below. If you didn't, that's okay. I'd appreciate some constructive feedback. Either way, I read your feedback and I'm very responsive to questions and comments. Finally, don't forget to stay tuned for my 3-month, 6-month, and sometimes 9-month follow-ups. It's these follow-ups that sets this channel apart, because it's usually in these intervals where something goes wrong, and you wish you knew about any long-term issues before you made your purchase. If that sounds like something you're into, click both the subscribe button and the bell icon to receive notifications about these updates and new content. That's all for now. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.